Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing a day in my life today. I'm on holiday. The holiday is called Golden Week because there are several holidays in this week, but I have work tomorrow, so it's all holiday, work, holiday, something like that. But anyway, so today I'm gonna go to this clothing store that I usually go to. It's very cheap. I saw this Japanese style outfit and I really like it, so I'm gonna go try it on. If it fits me, then I'm gonna get it. I also need to go to the supermarket to get some fruits and I need some bleach. Yeah, and then later on I have to rush back home to go to this place called Fly Station, which is like an indoor, what do you call it? It's like skydiving, yeah, but it's indoor, something like that. So I'm really excited about that. I've been trying to go there for a long time. So finally going today. It's very far away, like 2 hours away, because I have to reach 1 hour before my appointment. So I have to really be rushing right now. And it's raining as well. I feel like every time I'm going out, it always rains. I messed up my plan. Sucks. Well, I'm still going out. This is not gonna stop me from doing what I gotta do, because I wanna go out. This is my little department store. So I'm going to the clothing store first, which is on the second floor. I always forget the name of this clothing store. By the way, the supermarket is on the ground floor. And Daiso is on the third floor, so I'm gonna go to Daiso after because I need to get this sock. So if I do buy the outfit, there's this sock that I wanna wear. So this is the name of the store. This is what I wanted to wear because I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone. I love this store because it's very affordable and it has stuff that I actually would wear. Like I bought many things in here and it's quite affordable. I think I've said affordable many times. Or I'm strapped for time, so I'm gonna just quickly browse through. Like this shorts, I would buy it, but I have a lot of bottoms. I need tops right now. That's what I need to search for. Oh, this is an outfit. What size is this? So it's for 2,700 because it's on sale. This is nice. I really like this. I think I'm getting it. What do you guys think? I need to fix it better, but yeah, it fits perfectly. What do you guys think about this? So I like the top, definitely gonna get it. But as it relates to the skirt, I'm not sure yet because it's too long. It's a bit too long, and I'm like, I don't know. It's more like uniformly, like I don't know where could I wear this to, or what shoes could I wear this with? I don't know yet. What do you guys think? Like this is giving me maid vibes, like anime maid vibes. But I don't know if I like it. I think I do. Like this is different, something very different. But and how much is it? 1,790. Should I get it or not? I would wear like a sneakers type of thing, like platform sneakers. How do I fix this? What's this? Oh, tight. Alright, that's it for now. So I'm gonna put back these two, that top and this skirt, because I found a black skirt that I actually like, and so I'm gonna get that outfit instead. So this is this black skirt that I'm gonna get. I'm gonna still keep this black top this one, but I'm gonna get another black top to go with the skirt. So I'm getting this black top. Where is it? This one, I like it. Is it small? Now it's shoes time. So I want this, but I don't have my size. I wanted a thicker heel, but I think I'll have to just settle for maybe this because there's no size for me. Medium. Is this the same type of shoes? Large. Getting these shoes. I was really trying to find not like this, but shoes like this in white, but they don't have any, so I'm gonna just get this one instead. And it's for $1,790. So it's Daiso time. Okay, this is what I'm coming here for. This is what I want. Only one left. Wow, I'm lucky. Okay, I just remember that I needed to buy some bleach. I'm gonna get some bleach and some fabric softener in this store, which is right next to the fashion store that I just went to. Okay, so let's find the bleach. I think it's at the back. Where is the bleach? Where are you? Oh, right here. Okay, I'm gonna get those fabric softener thingies. Okay, next up is the supermarket. I'm gonna get some fruits and I need paper towel. And then I have to rush home to get ready to go to the fly station place. So I got some bananas, grapes, mango, pineapple, and the paper towels. I'm gonna cash out and rush home. I am heading to the train station right now. If I hadn't paid for this thing, I would not have left my house because, as you can see, it has been raining all day. It's now almost 2 p.m. My appointment is at 5, and we're supposed to reach this place at by 4 o'clock. So I know definitely I'm gonna be late because we're supposed to arrive 1 hour before the start time. Oh, and this place is like 2 hours. We're not 2 hours away. Anyways, guys, see that on your side? Can you see it? Ooh, water. And this is my outfit. Yeah, it's still cold even though it's spring. And the weather is not good. Anyways, see you guys soon. So I'm at this station called Osaki, and I have to transfer, but my train comes at 3:02, and it's probably like a 10 minutes wait. So I decided to come into this empty train, which will leave at 3:10. So this is not the train that I'm gonna be taking, but because it's leaving after my train comes, I think it's safe to rest in here because my foot is hurting me. Like, I don't know what is going on with my foot. Like right here. Sometimes when I sit down, and depending on how I position my body, it hurts when I get up. So when I was coming out of the train a while ago, it was hurting me. So I had to be walking like how I live. So annoying. Anyways, I need to monitor outside so that I don't miss my train. Yeah, it's raining cats and dogs outside. Yep.
本日も JR 東日本をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。
Hey guys, so I made it to Fly Nation. They are a little strict on like recording and stuff, so they don't really want us to record people who are doing it. And we can download like videos on their website when we go on. So I'm in the changing room right now, and I'm gonna go change. They gave me shoes because I wear heels, and I'm gonna change into this thing. So yeah, excited. This is so big, yo. So big. Gee. Alright, here I am. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Oh, this is on my face. At Goodwood Turn. I got oxtail. It's very noisy in here. But I got oxtail. Very watery. But I hope it tastes good. I got some rice and beans with mango too. And I ordered some wings, but it hasn't arrived yet.